What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book Up Entertainment. So, there is news that is circulating that Peter Grunwald, the Minister of Correctional Services, is likely to replace Senzo Mchunu as Minister of Police. So, this is the news that is circulating because the reason why Senzo Mchunu is now finally being replaced, it's because the evidence that has finally been presented at the for even Senzo Mchunu to even come out of, he can't even come out of that. So there is a replacement being talked about, and the replacement is him who is now coming in to replace Senzo Mchunu. So what do you guys think of this replacement? And it's not only just the replacement of Senzo Mchunu, there is also news that the two departments are going to be falling under Peter Grunwald, the Department of Police and Correctional Services, all under one minister. So tell me what you think, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.